Hello everyone, this is Michaella Billones. For today's video, I will be discussing about parts and functions of the cell. Cell is the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all known living organisms. There are two types of cell. These are eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. So first, let us talk about eukaryotic cell. It is cells that contain a nucleus and organelles and are enclosed by a plasma membrane. Multicellular organisms that have eukaryotic cells include protozoa, fungi, plants, and animals. Eukaryotic cells contain a variety of structures called organelles, which perform various functions within the cell. Parts of eukaryotic cell. Nucleus, a membrane-bound structure that contains the cell's hereditary information and controls the cell's growth and reproduction. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is primarily concerned with the synthesis, folding, and modification of proteins, especially those that need to be delivered to different organelles within the cell or secreted from the cell, called quality control. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is largely associated with lipid or fat manufacture and metabolism and steroid production hormone. It also has detoxification function. This is the endoplasmic reticulum picture. Golgi apparatus. It receives biochemicals in a bulk flow from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is the only organelle in the cell that receives, sorts, modifies, concentrates, packs, and dispatches biochemicals for use inside and outside the cell. Plasma membrane is a boundary between the cell and its environment. It regulates what enters and exits the cell. Microtubules are involved in the mitosis, cell motility, intracellular transport, maintenance of cell shape, and keep organelles in place. Centrosome is an organelle that is the main place where the cell microtubules are organized, organizing to the shape of the cell membrane to pinch into two during cell division. Ribosome serves as the site of biological protein synthesis. They link together specific amino acids to form polypeptides and they export these to the cytoplasm. Lysosome are organelles that contain digestive enzymes. They digest excess or worn out organelles, food particles, and engulf viruses or bacteria. They are like stomach of the cell which are involved in digestion and waste removal. Cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane, mainly composed of water, salts, and proteins. A framework of protein scaffolds called the cytoskeleton provides the cytoplasm and the cell with the structure. Mitochondria, referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. They help turn the energy we take from the food into energy that the cell can use. Are calcium stored? Cilia are eyelashes-like structures, microtubules based on organelles that project from the surface of cells and serve both motile and sensory function. Flagellum is a whip-like structure that acts primarily as an organelle of locomotion in the cells of many living organisms. Microfilaments. They have roles in cell movement, muscle contraction, and cell division. Prokaryotic cell. Single-cell organism. They are simpler and smaller than eukaryotic cells and lack membrane-bound organelles such as a nucleus Example of prokaryotic cell are bacteria and archaea. Parts of prokaryotic cell. Capsule. This additional outer covering protects the cell when engulfed by the other organisms, assists in retaining moisture, and helps the cell adhere to surfaces and nutrients. Cell wall is an outer covering that protects the bacterial cell and gives it shape. Peely hair-like structures on the surface of the cell that attach to the other bacterial cells. That would be all. Thank you for watching.